GAMS needs a license to run. Both demo licenses and licenses you purchase from us will need to be installed. In a fresh GAMS installation, the locations on your file system GAMS checks for license information can be displayed by opening Studio and going to Help, GAMS Licensing. You can install a license file in any of those locations, and GAMS will automatically find it on the next start. The simplest way to install the license is via the clipboard. For this, copy the license information from the email that you received from GAMS to the clipboard, and then open Help, GAMS Licensing in Studio again. Studio checks the contents of the clipboard each time you open the license dialog and will offer you to install the license found on the clipboard. Once you click OK, the license will be installed for you.